Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube short on your PC or computer. Uploading a YouTube short on your computer is actually very simple. It's just not so obvious. So if you go over to our youtube.com and on the top just how you would normally upload a video, you can see create in the top right corner. We click create, we click upload, and essentially we upload a video as we would normally. We would select the file that we want to upload. So I've just selected a file, for example, and you can see it's currently processing right now. And essentially where my mouse cursor is right now, you can see the video is being processed and you can see the video link here. And essentially when the video is processed, to be able to tell if it's going to upload as a YouTube short or not, it will have YouTube/shorts/ the URL rather than just YouTube/ there you go. You can see it now, youtube.com/shorts/ the extra part, the URL that which defines my unique video. And that's how you can tell whether it's uploading YouTube short. And to be able to make a YouTube short, your video needs to be under 1 minute and it's need to be in a 1080p by 1920 aspect ratio, which is essentially the reverse is what you would normally have videos in YouTube. And that is obviously because people are consuming shorts via the phone, and that is their aspect ratio that short is in. It is 9:16 if anybody is wondering, or 1080p by 1920. So your video needs to be in that resolution and it's need to be under 1 minute. That's the only thing you have to do. What you used to be able to do is go into the description and put hashtag shorts, but that is not necessary anymore. But basically, so long as your YouTube URL has this short spot in it, it's going to upload as a short. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.